Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a very unique vehicle. We're going to do a quick video walk-around tour, show you some of the features. This is the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. This is a top-of-the-line SUV here, loaded with features. Plus it just has a lot of really cool, kind of fun things, like this really neat two-tone, hopefully you can see it here. So this is the rubellite red metallic, and then down here is the obsidian black metallic, kind of this two-tone paint job here throughout the vehicle. Super unique, very eye-catching. You'll find Maybach and Mercedes badging throughout the vehicle. Particularly love the little Maybach symbol here. And we're going to hop inside next and we'll show you there even more Maybach badging throughout. So here, let me back up a little bit. So we do have automatic extending and retracting floorboards there. Very cool, very cool. We are loaded with the premium Burmester surround sound throughout the vehicle. You'll also notice this special, unique Maybach piano trim you'll find throughout the vehicle. You've got power memory, heated and ventilated seats throughout. Burmester subwoofer in the door there. Maybach badging down here on your pedals. Maybach badging even on your display screen. You can see mileage currently at 34. It's barely had a test drive. Got our steering wheel here. Interior is black exclusive Napa leather. See our sunroof stretching from front to the rear. Very, very sharp. All right, let's go ahead and hop inside. So you'll see that accent trim throughout the vehicle here. And push button ignition. Let's go ahead and start her up. We do have a V8 engine here with 550 horsepower. And here is our touchscreen display. So currently showing navigation there. Here is our backup camera with a ton of camera options to choose from. You've got your side views, you've got your rear view, your front view, parking assist, all kinds of good stuff here. All right, below that we've got climate controls here. So you can use the actual physical buttons like on most of the newer Mercedes. You also have a menu button here. So you can control everything from the touchscreen here if you want to, you know. I said the magic word, and Mercedes is here to help. So controls for first row seats, the second row, which we call the executive seats, and you'll see why here in just a little bit. Air quality controls. You can even insert fragrance there to kind of slowly pipe that, slowly pipe that through the vehicle. Okay, let's also show you the radio. Perfect. And also want to show you the comfort settings here. So we do have massaging seats throughout the vehicle, front and rear seats. You've got heated ventilated seats. You can also control your ambient lighting throughout the vehicle. All kinds of different multicolor, single color. You can of course change the brightness, and different zones can all be set differently. And you've also got some different effects, so it'll light up different colors when you enter the vehicle, when you make climate adjustments. So say for example, if I bump up the temperature, it flashes red. If I go down on the temperature, it flashes blue. Pretty cool. Okay, what else? So looking down here, now we've got a wireless charging pad for a cell phone. We've got a couple USB connections. Our cup holders here are heated or cooled. And then we have our command center here, which has a touchpad, which you can use to control the display. You can also use the touchscreen itself. And you also have steering wheel controls right here. So you can easily make all those adjustments 3 different ways if you like. We also have your dynamic select switch here, which will change the different sport modes, affects how the vehicle performs for you out there on the road. Maybach, curve, off-road, etc. You can also quickly access your vehicle settings, your parking cameras, navigation, radio, telephone, and so on. And then we also have a few other features, including raising or lowering the chassis height. So I just flipped it up, and the chassis will actually slowly rise, in case you happen to be in some rough terrain or just want that raised look as you're out there on the road. A few other features here that we won't quite talk about just to keep this video moving along, but if you're interested in learning more, please always reach out to us on our website. We'd love to chat with you. I can always set up a test drive as well. So next we'll take a look at our rear seats, which once again we call the executive seats. We've got power, memory, heated and ventilated seats back here as well. You've got the same Burmester sound system throughout. Really nice sounding surround. And then here are our executive seats, which you notice is a reclining setup. You got a nice little pillow over here. You actually got the recliner here, which is all, of course, power, controlled with the same controls here. And another thing very unique to the executive seats is you've got your own tablet here, which can also pop out. So you can use it stationary or carry it with you here. But that'll control different things here in the back, such as comfort settings. You've got massaging seats back here too. You can change the ambient lighting, a couple other things as well. So here's a quick peek back up front. Do have rear climate controls, of course. And you also have heated and cooled cup holders here too. And a wireless charging pad and USB connections on either side. You'll see more of these Burmester speakers throughout the vehicle. Again, that's part of that whole surround sound, and it really does sound really good. Okay, one more thing I almost forgot to mention. You've got a little bit of storage back here, which of course the car is off, so it's now locked, but when the car is on, it is unlocked, and you can keep some valuables back there if you'd like. And then one more look at our sunroof. Alright, more Maybach badging. And coming around to the rear, Maybach, Mercedes, and the GLS 600 badging. Power opening and closing trunk. And once again, car is off, everything's locked, but you should be able to flip down the seats for a little extra storage there. And then push button to close. So once again, this is the 2024 Mercedes-Maybach GLS 600. If you're interested in learning more, reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.